In almost all programs, we will probably need to store value, do some calculation, try to access specific pin numbers in Arduino, and more. For that, we can declare storage locations that are called variables, and we can access them using names. Let me take, for example, the start button variable that is equal to 2. Assuming we know that in the physical circuit we connected some external button to digital pin number 2 inside the Arduino. Now, using this variable, we can access the status of the button everywhere in the program. Let's say in the same project or in another project, we decided to physically change the connection of the button to pin number 3. So instead of searching the whole lines of code, we can just change it in one single line in the variable declaration. Now, before we can use a variable, we need to declare it, so the Arduino platform will be able to allocate the needed memory space. The way we declare a new variable is pretty straightforward, choosing a data type and the unique variable name. The data type defines what kind of information we can store in the variable. Looking on the list of variables here, we can see different types of variables. Some of them are integer, some of them are boolean and char and so on. One thing that is important to remember is that the Arduino code is case sensitive, and this is relevant to variable name. We will see that also in function name and more.